The history of pasta dates back thousands of years and spans multiple continents. Its origins can be traced to ancient China around 5000 BC, where the earliest forms of pasta were made from millet. The concept of pasta then traveled westward. By the 4th century BC, the Etruscans in ancient Italy were crafting rudimentary pasta-like dishes. Roman advancements in culinary techniques popularized pasta across the empire. During the Middle Ages, due to Arab traders, pasta made from durum wheat became a staple in the Mediterranean diet. The drying process, which allowed for long-term storage, was perfected in the Italian city of Palermo. By the 14th and 15th centuries, pasta was widely consumed and had become a symbol of Italian cuisine. The 19th century saw pasta's mass production thanks to industrial advancements and the influx of Italian immigrants bringing their culinary traditions to America. Today, pasta is a global culinary staple with a rich diversity of shapes, forms, and recipes, beloved by cultures around the world. 4000 BCE early origins. The earliest known instances of pasta-like foods trace back to ancient China, where people were making noodles from grains, such as millet and wheat, long before similar foods appeared in other parts of the world. 2000 BCE Middle Eastern influence evidence from archaeological finds in the Middle East suggests the existence of pasta-like foods, likely due to the region's early adoption and cultivation of wheat, especially durum wheat, which is ideal for pasta production. 800 BCE Ancient Italian pastas. Food historians have discovered that ancient Etruscans in Italy consumed a dish similar to lasagna, made with layers of dough and sauces. This predates the Roman era and showcases early Italian innovation in pasta. 1st century CE Roman Empire. The first Roman writings mention lagana, an early form of lasagna, in the works of Horace and Cicero. However, it was not boiled but baked or fried. This demonstrates the early preparation methods of pasta in Italy. 1154 CE pasta in Sicily. The Arab geographer Al-Idrisi described a food made from wheat flour, shaped into strings, and dried in the sun in Sicily. This is one of the first records of the modern concept of dried and commercially made pasta. 13th century Marco Polo's influence. A popular but debunked myth suggests that Marco Polo introduced pasta to Italy from his travels to China. In reality, pasta already existed in Italy before his expeditions, though his travels might have influenced local varieties. 16th century pasta meets tomato. Tomatoes were brought to Europe from the Americas, and by the end of the 16th century, they were being incorporated into Italian cuisine, eventually giving rise to the classic tomato-based pasta sauces we know today. 19th century Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution brought machinery that could mass-produce pasta, making it widely available and more affordable. This led to the widespread popularity of pasta dishes beyond Italy's borders. 1960s pasta goes global post. World War II, American soldiers returning from Europe brought with them a taste for Italian dishes. Combined with the influence of Italian immigrants, pasta became established in American cuisine and globally. 21st century modern innovations. The 21st century has seen the development of various types of pasta, including gluten-free, high-protein, and vegetable-based versions, catering to diverse dietary needs and preferences.